is, yo. You know, this is Mr. 910. We out here at the mall in town, Port City. You already know how we do. Yo, we out here just chilling. Caprice on H. Y'all already know how we do. On H. Niggas out here just parking lot pimping. We just sitting out here in the parking lot conversating. But them lights too bright. You already know what it is. You know what it is. The media center.
Ever did shit for me. Had to hit the streets, had to flip some keys so a nigga won't go broke. Then they put us in jail, now nigga can't go vote. So I spend dough on these hoes and stripping.
Yeah, we out here chilling, posted up, waiting on some more cars to come. This is just how we do every weekend, man. You know, we don't be playing no games. You know, this ain't even half of us. Crown Vic boy, you know what I'm saying? Out here posting. Y'all already know what it is. Holler back at your boy.